Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elizabeth here at Lizzie Loves Life, and today I'm going to share with you the Amazon Prime Day early deals. So I have been searching throughout the site and I found some products that we personally love or is on our personal wish list of things I would definitely purchase myself or I would recommend you guys check out during this sale. All of the links will be down below. I will also have my link to kind of like the group of all of the products listed together so you can see what is on sale right now. A lot of these deals will sometimes be just one-day deals. Sometimes they will be on both the days. So I'll leave that link down below. Also follow me on Instagram, Lizzie Loves. This I have home, fashion, and a lot of kids, toddler things. I have a 4-year-old right now and a 1-year-old, so the products will kind of be gauged toward that. But let's get into the sales that are going on right now. So in no particular order, from Carter's, their Snug Fit Footloose cotton pajamas. These are my favorite pajamas for little kids. One, they don't have the footies. My daughter loves to climb on everything and the footies just don't have enough grippers for her. So this is currently on sale right now, 28% off. They have a whole bunch of different styles, so I wanted to mention that. Amazon Essentials has this really nice puffer jacket. I have purchased it in navy. I really recommend you guys check this out. It is 30% off and I wore the size medium. They also have these high-waisted running shorts right now that are on sale, 34% off. Come in a whole bunch of different colors. My favorite color is the summered, which is kind of like a rosy colored. So that is currently on sale. There is this sports storage rack, which I think is really neat because it helps house all of your sports equipment, balls, bats, things like that. Comes in a matte white taupe, or you can get the gray color, and this is currently 20% off today. This next thing, if you have kids, is an essential. It's a toothpaste cap. So instead of the cap that ours keeps breaking off, this is a little silicone cap that they can squeeze. It has a little opening and it's 47% off. There's an extra 5% off coupon you can apply on top of that. So great for kids. If you have a kind of plain looking garage door, these magnetic decoration kind of kit is awesome for it. They look like hinges, kind of elevate your garage door design. This is 45% off today. The next thing here is a super great t-shirt for the fall time. It says Sunday Fun Day. It's kind of a sports tee. This is 26% off today. The next thing here are the famous Crz Yoga Leggings, and this is 35% off today. I really like them because they are high-waisted and they have pockets. This next thing is an essential in the kitchen. These are silicone stovetop like gap closers. So you put them on the sides of your stovetop. That way the food doesn't drop into beneath the unknown zone or get stuck in between. And that is 35% off today. The next thing here is a cordless stick vacuum. This is 30% off today. If you have tons of pants or tights or leggings like I do, these pant hangers are awesome. You can kind of set them up in two different ways, so either they're up and down or across. They come in a couple of different colors depending on the color scheme of your closet, and these are 33% off. I have two sweater dresses here for you guys. One is this long turtleneck sweater. It comes in a whole bunch of colors and it is 18% off today. This next one has more of a crew neck look to it. Also has a cable knit chunky design to it, and this is 43% off today. My daughter is going as Tinkerbell this year for Halloween, and her costume is on sale, 63% off. I have this lace cami in the size medium in the color red wine, and this is currently 44% off. Comes in a whole bunch of other colors as well. It's my favorite newborn picture of my daughter is in this next thing. This is a pearl crystal frame and it is one of my favorites, and I have it in my bedroom. This is currently 20% off for the frame. My favorite bathing suit to wear when I'm not around my kids doing mommy things is this bikini, string bikini from Raceway, and it is currently 51% off today. Also comes in a whole bunch of other colors. I just purchased this. This is an everyday wreath bag. So I have a ton of decorative wreaths all around the house that I switch up per season, but I needed something to store other than just like a big bin. So I found this, and this is 31% off today, and it does really great job storing my wreaths whether they be Easter, fall, or Christmas. This next thing is a lifesaver. This is my car trunk organizer. What's awesome about this is it collapses. It also has kind of like the Velcro on the bottom so it won't slide around in your trunk. Great for keeping the necessities that you may have with kids, sporting events, dance, you know. And this is currently 11% off today. This next thing was a big hit in my Christmas stocking stuffer guide, and this is the dust cleaner gel, a cleaning gel you can use on your car, your computers. It gets into all those crevices that you can't get, and it is 44% off today. My favorite tank top to wear when I go work out at the gym, a Zumba class, and you name it, is this open back tank top, so that way you can showcase your sports bra underneath, and today it is 49% off. The next thing here is my electric lint remover, and this is from Philips. Today it is 23% off. If you're wearing a dress or a shirt that shows the back of your back, an open back, I guess, the best thing to wear are sticky bras, and the one that I recommend is kind of like a push-up sticky bra. This today is 10% off. I have two pillows me and my husband swear by. This one is a loft like adjustable pillow, so you can add more memory foam to it or take some out depending on your thickness, I guess, that you want of your pillow. The one I recommend is from Coop, and today it's 20% off. And then my husband's pillow, he likes the Cool Gel pillow, and he gets his from Classic Brands, and his pillow today is 23% off. If you have kids, keepsake items are important to you. So the one that we have for our son and our daughter is from C.R. Gibson, and it is 21% off. My favorite spring and summer romper is from Anarabees, and today it is 23% off. I have a couple colors, black and navy. You've seen me wear them here around my channel. Highly recommend them. If you have cornhole boards and a garage, and if you're like us and we have them just like on the floor and like against the wall, these hooks are what you guys need. And they are 31% off, and they help you mount your cornhole boards on the wall. The next thing I have are Marshmallow Sticks, and I'm actually giving these as a gift this year, and they come in a set of 8. The next thing I have is this hammock. This has been something I have my eye on for my husband. He loves laying in other people's hammocks, so I'm definitely eyeing to get him one as a gift for our home. Today it is 29% off. The other thing I thought was neat for anyone who is working at home is this under the desk elliptical machine. It is super neat. 20% off today. If you like having picnics or are a wine drinker and like to take that tailgating, this is for you. This is a 4-bottle wine carrier. It comes in a whole bunch of different colors and is 30% off today. If you have trouble finding your keys, these key finders you can put and hook onto your keys. Then there's a little remote to help you find them. It is 20% off today with the extra 5% off coupon you can add on top of it. The next thing was all the rage in the past couple years, and I certainly love mine. These are the Bog waterproof bags. Super easy to clean. I keep our beach essentials in there when we go to the beach or pool. Come in a whole bunch of different shades, and it's 33% off. The next thing here is super neat. I think it's something we have our eye on in the future. This is a Mario Kart Rainbow Road Raceway. It is 35% off today. So that is all of my Amazon Prime Day deals for right now. Be sure to subscribe. I plan on having another Amazon Prime Day video up here very soon here on my channel, if not the same day today or tomorrow morning. So be on the lookout for that, for more toys and gadgets and things for your kids along with you and your household. So thank you guys so much for watching. All links will be down below, and I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel for more. So I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye. Happy shopping.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go.